So we have some breaking news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, specifically Dogecoin. Elon Musk is tweeting about Dogecoin. The hype of Dogecoin is just about to get started again, just like we saw several months back when the pumps of Dogecoin started happening, all the hype started happening. I think the hype is going to start again here very soon. In this video, we are going to be talking about this and much more. Make sure you watch the entire video. Stay to the end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make every single day about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. And if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button, blow up the comment section. Tell me how you feel about Dogecoin right now. How do you feel about what is going on with Doge? Let's talk about it. And if you want to get access to my profitable trade signals, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where we can do consultations to help you get your portfolio, your investments in cryptocurrencies on track. I have a whole bunch of services to help you with that, so make sure you check out the Patreon. I'm also giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put your Dogecoin deposit address in the comments below. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We have Elon Musk tweeting about Dogecoin, talking about Dogecoin. We have some very incredible information. Dogecoin, the fees have been lower than they've ever been before. There's just amazing things happening in the cryptocurrency space. But let's first start it off with coin market cap. So here we have Bitcoin up the last 24 hours, 2%. Bitcoin is about $44,000, which this is absolutely amazing. We have Ethereum, $3,100 pushing up. Cardano, the number 3 cryptocurrency, about 3%. We have Binance Coin about $400, 1.5% up. We have XRP taking the number 6 spot, 98 cents, just about $1 up, about 2%. Solana is actually up 4%, $150. Polkadot 3%, $30. And Dogecoin, we are up 3%, just about 23 cents. And if you are bullish in the overall crypto market, make sure you smash the like button and let me know if you are bullish in the comments below. So let's first start off with this. So we know that Bitcoin moves the entire cryptocurrency market. That when Bitcoin is bullish, Dogecoin is bullish. When Bitcoin is bullish, any cryptocurrency that you hold, most of them, they are going to be bullish. So Bitcoin holders are about to spark a run to new Bitcoin price highs, data suggests. So data, information about the blockchains of cryptocurrencies, what's happening on these blockchains, what the whales are doing, where the money is being moved, what's being moved with it, are people staking it, are people holding it long term? This data is the information that we look at almost every day at this channel to help us understand the cryptocurrency market. A lot of investors, a lot of YouTubers out there, they just tell you information based on their emotion, based on what they are feeling. But in this channel, we are bullish. We are bullish, optimistic, and we are that reason because of the data that I present to you. All of the information and data that I show to you proves that we are in a bull run, proves that we are going to go much higher than where we are now, especially towards the end of the year. So this is the reason why I'm always bullish, despite when we see market volatility. You had a lot of people freaking out, oh, I'm selling and cryptocurrencies are crashing again, I'm getting out. But here I am telling you guys, don't be afraid, buy the dips. And if you would have bought the dips that we have announced in the Patreon, and even in this video, even in my previous videos, the last couple of weeks, you should be up in significant profits. So we are seeing a supply shock for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin. And what we are seeing is that people are buying cryptocurrencies and they're holding it long term. They believe in cryptocurrencies long term. And this is the information that we see. When there is a supply shortage for Bitcoin, which we are seeing on the exchanges, there's not as much Bitcoin going around anymore as there used to be. So that puts a supply shock. When there is supply and when there is demand, it causes the prices to skyrocket, just like real estate, just like we have seen lumber and a bunch of other things, used cars. There's such a short supply and so much demand, and that's what skyrockets prices. Now, a lot of people are speculating there's going to be a bear market and there's going to be all these different types of cycles. With this type of demand, I honestly don't see this type of demand dying down anytime soon, at least for the next, 5 to 10 years. Who knows? It can get even greater. So we will have to see. And, there's going to be times where there's going to be corrections again in the future, even if Bitcoin goes to 200,000 or 300,000 or Dogecoin goes to $2 and whatever. these numbers that they will reach towards the end of the year, there's still going to be corrections in the future. There's going to be bear markets where there's going to be times, maybe for several months, it could be even longer than, 2 or 3 months, maybe 5 or 6 months, where we're kind of bearish, where we might go down and just kind of trade sideways and bottom out before taking off again. I think that that's what is in store for cryptocurrencies in the future. Previously, bull runs and bear markets can last years, but data is showing to us right now that the bear markets are getting much shorter and the bull markets are getting longer. So Dogecoin more popular than ever, even as TX's hit lowest level since 2017. AMC CEO Adam Aron has stated that the cinema giant will look to support Dogecoin movie ticket payments by the end of 2021. And real estate tokenization platform Red Swan is accepting Dogecoin too. So Dogecoin is starting to get very popular again. That's the key word, popular. Popular comes with the word hype. When there is hype, especially for meme coins, AMC, GameStop, especially Dogecoin has had the biggest hype out of anything that we've ever seen. When there is hype, then there is pumping. When there is hype, there is crazy pumping, not just 100%, not just 200%, thousands of percents. Dogecoin is up 8,000%, and just in the last year, 365 days, just about 8,000%. And how much more when we were at 70 cents? We were up, way more, thousands and thousands more percents than where we are at now. So I personally believe that we will reach all-time highs, that we will break that record of 74 cents this year, or the beginning of next year, and we'll probably hit something maybe more than double or triple that number. And all of that is contingent upon Bitcoin and where the cryptocurrency market is, the supply shortage, the demand, the hype. All of these things have to factor in. Then we have governmental issues, there's taxes, there's all these different factors. But I believe that cryptocurrencies will prevail through all of those storms, through all of those tribulations, through all of those issues. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Cardano, use my WEBULL link if you sign up and deposit $100 using my link. They'll send you 2 free stocks for up to $4,000. So this is a very important tweet by Elon Musk, and it says this precisely. So one of the developers, Shibatoshi Nakamoto, Billy, says that Robinhood announcing wallets, AMC CEO not only talking about accepting Dogecoin, but it was the most single interacted tweet he has ever made. The crypto market finally starting to see some green. So Elon Musk comments under him and says, super important for Doge fees to drop to make things like buying movie tickets viable. So one issue that Dogecoin is having, which is actually a really good thing right now, is that the fees are lowest than we've ever seen Dogecoin. Is that when these Dogecoin fees are reduced, when all of these miners can update their nodes, which shouldn't take too long from now, when Dogecoin has this fee reduction code fully implemented at its best peak, Dogecoin will be the best cryptocurrency, in my opinion, for transactional use, for transactional purpose, to buy movie tickets, to buy houses, to buy small and medium and even big things. So what we are seeing is low transaction levels. Despite the hype kicking into overdrive this week, Doge transaction levels have dropped to lows that have not been seen since December 2017. And this is because they already implemented the Dogecoin fee reduction code, but it's just about getting those nodes updated. So, this article basically just confirms it. It says Elon Musk says Dogecoin fees have to fall for it to become a viable form of payment. This is very, very true. Dogecoin is still a viable form of payment right now, as we are seeing thousands of retailers accept and use Dogecoin. But when this fee reduction code is live and fully implemented, this is what is going to cause Dogecoin to really, really take off. And not just because of hype, not just because the cryptocurrency market is going up, because there's going to be a real usage case for cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrencies that last are the ones that have a strong use case. A lot of cryptocurrencies, thousands of them, come up and down and go away and disappear because they don't have a real use case. They don't have the network effect, all the people on the network using it and trusting it. So this will cause amazing things for Dogecoin. And when this happens, this is when the hype and the pumps will really start to happen. So let's go ahead and take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. So we are seeing cryptocurrencies, let's start off with Ethereum, smashing levels of resistance. We broke out of this inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal pattern that I told you all just the other day when we were right here. I was like, look, it's looking bullish, and it ended up starting to play out and breaking out for us. So we are just at this level of support now. So this is a level of support with that inverse head and shoulder. We've attempted to break it. We ended up breaking it, coming under it, and now we are bouncing off of it again. So this is actually bullish. So most likely we will probably get a bounce here. If not, we could come down just a little bit before bouncing up even further, which would be a healthy and probable move. The same goes true for Bitcoin. Bitcoin ended up breaking past that level of resistance. And we're kind of just playing right now with this level of resistance. So what is going to be very likely after this drop, after this bullish reversal signal that we are seeing indicated through the inverse head and shoulders, is that there's a very high probability that we are going to continue our upswing. We also have option contracts and expirations tomorrow. So depending if the bulls are in control where the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are, we could see a lot of volatility, but we could see a lot of volatility to the upside as well. So taking a look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin is looking very bullish. The charts are setting up nicely. So overall, things are looking very bullish. We have a lot of very bullish things happening behind the scenes, which I'm super stoked about. So let me know what you all think about that in the comments below. So if you got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all later.